Hey smart home enthusiasts and security-conscious homeowners. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super common and incredibly important task for your home security. Learning how to change the user code on your Kwikset SmartCode 955 electronic deadbolt. Whether you've just moved in, need to update access for a guest, or simply want to refresh your security, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your home stays safe and secure. Understanding your Kwikset SmartCode 955. First, let's quickly get acquainted with your Kwikset SmartCode 955. This model is known for its convenience and reliable security. Before we begin, make sure you have your lock's programming code. This is usually a 4 to 8-digit code found on a sticker on the back of the lock assembly or in your user manual. It's crucial for making any programming changes. Step-by-step guide. Changing a user code. Ready to update that code? Let's do it. Here's how to change a user code on your Kwikset SmartCode 955. Step 1. Open the battery cover. Locate the battery cover on the interior side of your deadbolt. Slide it up or off to reveal the battery pack and programming button. Step 2. Press the program button. On the interior assembly, you'll see a program button. Press and release this button once. You should hear a beep and the lock's keypad will illuminate. Step 3. Enter your existing user code, optional for modification. If you are trying to modify an existing user code, enter that code now. Otherwise, proceed to Step 4. Step 4. Enter a new user code. Now, enter your desired new 4 to 8-digit user code. Choose something memorable but secure. Step 5. Press the lock button. After entering your new code, press the lock button on the keypad. And Step 6. Verify the new code. You should hear a long beep and the LED will flash green, indicating success. To verify, close your door, extend the deadbolt, and try unlocking it using your new code. Make sure the old code no longer works. Troubleshooting tips and important notes. Ran into a snag? Don't worry. Here are a few troubleshooting tips and important notes for your Kwikset SmartCode 955. Incorrect programming code. If the lock doesn't respond or flashes red, double check that you're using the correct programming code. If you've lost it, you might need to perform a factory reset, which we can cover in another video. Battery level. Weak batteries can sometimes interfere with programming. If you're having issues, it might be a good time to replace those AA batteries. Programming multiple codes. You can typically program up to 16 user codes on the Kwikset SmartCode 955. Just repeat the process for each new code you want to add. Deleting a user code. To delete a specific user code, the process is slightly different. You'll press the program button once, enter the code you wish to delete, then press the program button again. The lock will confirm deletion. Special tips FAQs. Here's a pro tip for maximum security. Change your user codes periodically, especially if you've had house guests, contractors, or pet sitters. It's a simple habit that significantly boosts your home's protection. Also, avoid sequential numbers or easily guessable codes. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the user code on your Kwikset SmartCode 955. Keeping your codes updated is a fundamental part of smart home security. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel for more electronic lock, smart home, and thermostat guides. Got questions or other Kwikset tips? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.